back, guys. Just got off a week vacation. We lost a soldier today. Well, we're gonna set you up. We're gonna tear this little pretty deck out. So have fun watching this. All right, people. Mike's not recording over here. He's left here alone. Doesn't record. Doesn't do anything. This guy's just sitting here.
Dealing with the crisis.
Dealing with a crisis. This guy doesn't know that a screw gun requires screws to do anything. Didn't put two and two together. But anyway, this is what we did. I don't know how much you saw, how much you didn't see. But we got this concrete out of here. And yeah, load it up in the truck. Easy stuff, simple. Now we're setting this form for bendable, and after that come back tomorrow and set the rest of it up and rock it in. It's close to the end of the day now, so I'll get you before I leave this time for real, because I always forget. This is Evan here. He was really the one supposed to be recording and he didn't do it.
I did record.
Yeah, but how long ago?
Where we started.
Yeah, exactly.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back.
That's not, yeah. That's all right, buddy. Okay, well, we'll continue soon. All right, people of the earth. So we got so far, just roughed in. Dug down, roughed in, and looking good. Nice little curved patio. We gotta fix little shit. We gotta get like screws to tighten that up, set more stakes, and grade. That's what Mikey's gonna be doing tomorrow, right, Mike?
Sure.
He's not a happy camper, but doing this, we'll clean this stuff up too. We just got the basic shape in, so we kind of know what we're doing. It's gonna look good, so we'll be back.
All right, personality's back.
Yeah.
This is how Mike walks.
Yeah, I showed up yesterday.
Doing what?
Take the wire up and stuck it on my shoulder.
Did you? Evan, let me see your knife. We don't need that Fresno. No. Well, no, because we're gonna cut grooves. It's Friday. Gotta do what you gotta do. Yeah, I want to put blackies against there because that corner, the crack off that corner. You making it bigger?
Yeah.
Connor. Give me his screw gun and a couple screws in his. Are you gonna let them finish? Let them finish. They can do this. Because then they can just jump over here and do this. We got a little time. I'm sorry for being a boss. We probably need to do. I think that's fine the way that is.
And then it keeps it from moving around.
We could see, like, we got some boards, some small boards we can put here, and then we can put that piece over the top of this.
Okay.
Make like a ramp. Right there. whatever. Some right here, over there, there, here. Might be enough. Thought you should know. Oh shit, definitely enough. Look at that. Cut further than I thought. Better bring this back in here before they fire me. I better bring this back in here before they shit can me. I took their saw. Yeah, there's some rain developing north, but that made me get up early this morning, like baloney, you know, to check the weather. You need this? Viewers got a close look at Mike's butt. Where are we at? Right there. Oh God, hit my head. Oh, you gotta flip that over. That's my bad, Mike. What? Black joint? Yeah, there's too much stuff going around. I don't want it to bust on that corner, so we're gonna put black joints. Probably put a kicker on or two. I don't want it to bust on this corner. So I think we're doing the thing, doing the right thing. Got it. Spray that step and then that outside. Don't squirt Ryan.
I'm not doing it fine. Nice, not good.
Yeah, Mike is. Do you want to put a grade pegs in here, or how are you going to drag it?
I need to put, well, I don't know. I think I could shoot it. The only grade pegs I would need is from that corner of the house straight over, because this is a different grade than this.
You can't just follow it back?
I think I can just fake it.
Is this 16?
No.
Does that board work? Where you guys can drag it like this?
That's 14.
I mean, you can, right? Back and forth. It's only 15, I think. Don't make the mud all muddy. We got to get over there. Then put it down in the rocks. Rocks, yeah. But you're making all the mud over there muddy. We got to step in it. Hey, Brian. Hold on. What?
What's not cut?
Everything's cut. I don't want it stolen.
Oh.
All right, GoPros. World. New batteries. Upgrade. Next time on Ortmann Concrete in Action.
All right, we're gonna die today, ladies and gentlemen.
Traffic, so I'm gonna be setting the camera over here.